Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you're here from part 1 when I applied the Gel X tips, or I should say full cover nails, and now we're gonna come in with the design. I'm going to do a New Year's design, and let's get started. I'm going to take Madam Glam's Perfect Black and apply it to the nail. And you guys know, black gel polish can be the bane of my existence, so we gonna take our time. So I'm not sure if you guys can tell, I push back and then I kind of let the brush fan out and swing down towards my cuticle. And then I always pull in. Because if you're not pulling in, that means you are going to get right up in that sidewall. And use your pinky to balance.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibe.
I would be lying if I didn't say I didn't hold my breath. All right, so let's repeat the process.
When seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
All right, let's get some of these bad boys out. These look relatively different.
And we're stuck in a la-la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding, play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
Okay, I kid you not, the matte top coat I decided to use since I did this one. I was like, oh, this is a thinner consistency, I'll use this one. Do we see what happened? It's mostly on this one. I mean, I think I can cover it, but I think I need a break for tonight. I think I'm gonna come back tomorrow with a fresh set of eyes, because I'm real mad.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change.